Welcome back to PistonShack YouTube channel, and today we're going to restore our needle valve seat and a needle valve. This is a carburetor from Subaru twin cylinder engine. Let's take this cover off. Here we go. There's the 4 screws, our tongue, and a needle valve and a seat. This small tiny spring connects the needle valve to the tongue, which attached to the float. Here's the pin. Let's remove the pin, pull it all out, and start cleaning. Here we go. Pin came out. Let's keep all parts together. Here's our float. There's a tongue. There's our connecting spring. There's a needle valve. And this end, be very careful not to damage this part. This is a rubber, and that's tip seals against the valve seat. And as you can see, it's not too bad, but still have a bit of green. We'll polish. Be careful with the tip. And our main focus is this valve seat. A little bit of gunk there. I see the green corrosion, oxidation, and what's happened, this engine sit over winter, almost 6 months, with the carburetor full of fuel. For the cleanup, we need a electric drill, cotton swabs, scratch remover. Nice. Put a little bit of polisher here. And then we're going to polish. Here we go. Let's check it out. Let's go with a clean one. Nice. It's already getting better. We'll go do more cleanup until it's all polished and clean. Let's wipe it out. Check it out. How shiny that right now. As you can see inside, it's all like a mirror. Perfect. What I'm going to do next, just will wash with a carb clean and blow it with the compressed air. Looks like new, and it's hard to find the parts for this Subaru engine with this carburetor, and yeah, you only can buy a carburetor. This is a DENI 32ACVL18, and it's $500 for the entire carburetor assembly, and I couldn't find any repair kits, and this carbon engine was discontinued. Okay, let's now do our needle valve, only this metal part, and make sure it's all clean. Alright, I'm ready to put everything back together. Make sure you washed everything with a carb clean and blow it with a compressed air. Here's a video how to check the needle valve and a seat. The test is up here. Check it out. Yeah, take care. Bye-bye.